Hello everyone, my name is Oren Cohen. I'm the CEO of OrthoSpin. I want to tell you a story about this young girl from Petah Tikva that born with leg deformity. The only medical treatment to correct her leg is external fixation device. When she was 7 years old, she began treatment. During the next 3 months, while she was wearing this device, her home life changed completely. During the next 3 months, while she was wearing this device, she was unable to go to school, and her parents had to change their working hours in order to comply with the complicated treatment schedule. Not only that, this girl had to visit the doctor weekly for follow-up. We at OrthoSpin are developing an external fixation system to improve life quality of patient and treatment outcomes. What is an external fixation system? It's a metal frame that holds the bone in place until they heal. External fixation system is the first line of treatment for complex bone injuries, lengthening the bones, and limb deformities. With the increase in the number of sport injuries and car accidents, doctors are using external fixation system more and more for broken bones. The main problem with this device is that treatment to be succeed, it needs to be manually adjust every day. The patient or their caregiver must manually turn six struts up to 4 times a day, every day. In addition, with today's traditional system, there is no feedback. So doctors don't know if the patient is following the treatment correctly. Therefore, the patient needs to visit the doctor frequently every week. Let's take a look at a short animation to compare the traditional manual struts with our smart system.
Today, the patient receives a list detailing how often and how much to turn each rod, called struts, to carry out the specific treatment. Caregivers or patients must manually turn 6 different struts up to 4 times a day. 6 struts 4 times a day for 3 months or longer. That's almost 2,160 turns. It's too easy for patients to forget to turn a strut or turn it incorrectly, and doctors cannot monitor patient adherence. OrthoSpin's external fixation system connects patients, doctors, and hospitals to accurate information. The system's smart strut receives instructions from a lightweight control box and turns the struts automatically to the exact positions prescribed. From this point on, there is no longer need for manual adjustments, as the system is fully automated. The system sends real-time updates directly to the doctor's mobile device or computer.
Real-time feedback, accurate adjustment, and reduced cost are just a few of OrthoSpin benefits for physician, patient, and hospital. We just came back from the AOS, a major conference for orthopedic players, and met with the major players in this section. All of them are seeking for innovation in the external fixation field. And as you can see, many of them are doing some acquisition in this field. Our team has extensive management experience in the medical device section and in orthopedic field. Our scientific advisory board consists of highly experienced orthopedic surgeons. Amongst our scientific advisory board, there is John Herzenberg, Professor Herzenberg, one of the masters in the external fixation field. We are beginning shortly clinical trials in Israel and expect to submit FDA and CE in the next quarter. Thank you, and I will be happy to answer all your questions later today.
In what ways, if any, are you asking the physician to change what he does, and are you getting any resistance from the physician in proposing this intervention to his protocol?
Our device is totally straightforward. So the surgeon don't need to change or modify anything from the clinical procedure. And our system is also fit to all the infrastructure of other companies in the surgery room. And of course, we target that our system cost will be the same one as the manual system.